Today on Buff Dudes Food, we're making something a little bit different than we usually make. Last month, me and Brandon tried the intermittent fasting challenge on our main channel, Buff Dudes. We had a lot of fun doing it, so this month we wanted to try out keto. And for those of you who may not know, keto means eating very low carbohydrate, usually less than 30 grams a day. So you have to get inventive with a lot of your foods. So today we'll be making keto crackers. They're easy to make, they're very tasty, high in fat, as comes with the keto territory, and they use only a few simple ingredients, which you probably have in your kitchen. So, let's get started.
Go ahead and begin by preheating your oven to 425 degrees. You're gonna need cheese, almond flour, cream cheese, egg, salt. All of that together is gonna combine to make your keto crackers. First, what you're gonna wanna do is add the shredded mozzarella into a bowl along with the almond flour and mix. Make sure you mix both those ingredients up really nice and good. Next, add your 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Now you're gonna wanna go ahead and microwave them for 1 minute. I recommend not looking at the microwave while doing this, but it's so hypnotic. Once you're finished, go ahead and take it out and mix. Once you're finished, go ahead and microwave for another 30 seconds. Go ahead and add an egg and your dash of salt and mix. Now that you have all your ingredients mixed together, go ahead and grab parchment paper, baking pan, and form one gigantic cracker. And when that's done, bake for 5 minutes. Once those 5 minutes are up, go ahead and take your massive cracker out of the oven and flip it onto the other side. Then, go ahead and bake for another 5 minutes. You're gonna start to smell it now, and it's gonna smell damn good. Once those 5 minutes are over, go ahead and let it cool for 5 minutes, and then cut your massive cracker up into 20 tiny little baby crackers. There you go. Wasn't that easy? Typically, along with the crackers, we'll use a little bit of dip. They taste really good, nice and cheesy. Hell yeah.
All right, there we go. The keto crackers are finished. I put a little bit of dip here. Let's try it out. And we have a special guest. You want to try out a keto cracker? You want all of them? It's a hit. Until next time, stay buff.